What is up, guys? It's Big Mo here. Today's tutorial is going to be a bit short, but I'm going to teach you guys how you can unlock your mouse icon by pressing Q on your keyboard. So this is mainly for games that are in first person. So if you go starter player, then under properties, the camera mode, you would change it to lock first person. And now when I run it, you're in first person, but as you can see, the mouse icon at the center of the screen looks a bit ugly, and you can move it around. So if you would want to click something, like have a screen GUI and then you need to click a button or something, you can't. So I'm going to teach you guys how you can unlock it. So you would just go to under starter player, there's starter player scripts. You would insert a local script, and then you would just type this. So local GUI, we'll name it, and then game.players, local player, wait for child, and we'll call this player GUI. Then it's we need a local screen GUI, an instance, new dot screen GUI, yeah. Then it's screen GUI dot reset on spawn. We'll set that to false. And then screen GUI dot parent is the GUI. Okay. The next we need a local button. So this will just act as like a fake mouse almost. New. We need a text button. So the button transparency. The button's background transparency. We'll set that to 1, which is like invisible. Then the button size is udim.new, and then we make them all 0. And then even for the button position, it's going to be the same thing. Set them all to 0. Then for the button text, we'll just leave it as an empty string. The button model will be set to false. Then the parent for this will just be the screen GUI that we made at the beginning. Then we need another variable, so local user, call it input service, game get service, and then it'll be the user input service. You guys have probably seen this before. Then our local, another variable, we'll call it mouse locked, and we'll set this to false. Then from our user input, we'll get the mouse icon enabled, which will also be set to false. So what this does is, I can just show you guys. When you run it now in first person, the mouse is gone, so you can't see it. But if I press Q right now, nothing's happening. So I'm going to teach you guys how to get that. So yeah, just continue the script. It's going to be user input service input begin connect function, and then in brackets then it'll be the input, and then you have to check if the game processed. Okay, then we have to do a condition. So if the input, if the input dot keycode, so this is like your keyboard, enum dot keycode. So over here, guys, you can choose like what button you want. So if you want like C or M or Q, so in this case we're going to use Q, and then we just say and not game processed. Then the mouse locked will be not locked, so we'll just do the opposite. So if it was set to false, it'll now be true. Then the same thing for the button modal, that way it'll show, and then it'll be whatever the mouse locked is set to. And then from the user input service, we just get the icon, and then we'll also, this way the mouse will be showing. Okay, and then yeah, that should be it. So now let's test this. So as you can see, when we spawn in, the mouse icon isn't showing, but now if I press Q, it shows, and I can move around the screen. And then obviously if you do right click, you can look around with the icon. This also works in just like regular games. So if you just do like the classic mode and then you just run it, so as you can see, we spawn in, but the mouse isn't showing. It's there, like you see, it's right here. Then if I just press Q, and there you go, it's showing again. So I mean, if sometimes you guys don't want the mouse to show in your game, you can just do it this way. So yeah, this is how you guys can use the press Q to unlock the mouse for your game. So thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe and like, and yeah, I'll see you guys.